This is the Mercedes-Benz 2019 A220. It's a new model that just came in this year in the United States. I just wanted to show you around, take him on the road, drive it to see how it feels. There's so many good new technologies in the interior, and of course the exteriors also have a lot of good technologies. I do love this headlight and this aggressive sporty looking grille. And also that you know, this is the entry-level Mercedes-Benz CLA, not anymore the entry-level. I think it's the A-class is more like entry-level Mercedes-Benz now. Sorry for windy weather, so I'll do my best to show you guys all around. So this is A220 Mercedes. It does have a decent size of trunk space. Okay. And it's black on black, beautiful Mercedes-Benz, and it's got a 4-cylinder. It's got about 188 horsepower. It's got a 221 pound-feet of torque. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive it, take him on the road to see how it feels. Okay, and let's start driving it. The first thing you notice, it's got a beautiful infotainment system. It's a double screen, and let me start up the vehicle. The sound, the engine sound noise, I guess, it's totally different. I've never heard that noise. This is the sound from any other Mercedes. All right, let's the seatbelt on. And steering wheel, also a very nice high-end quality steering wheel. And then seat adjuster also has been changed a little bit, and your parking sensor is actually on the left side. When I first drive, I've been actually looking for in this area. It's actually on the left side. So, and then and you can always get the ambient light option as well. It's got an ambient light in here and an all around, but in this option it does not have it. This is the base model, and this vehicle starts with $35,000. It's awesome. Of course, it's new the key fob as well. Okay, and then I do like this touchpad, and you can feel it. It's got a little vibration as well. So anyway, let's start driving it. The Mercedes A220. So this is the entry-level Mercedes-Benz that they're making in 2019. This vehicle has been for the long years in Europe. I think it used to be in hatchback type of vehicle, but now in the United States, basically entry-level sedan. It does have only 4-cylinder 2.0. It generates about 188 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. And it gets you a decent side the horsepower. So all right, I'm gonna drive it and see how it drives and feels. Construction area.